lecturer, course HFC 3052, Power Electronic and Health Technology, Sir Muhammad Fauzi bin Anwar and Sir Nursazwani. Before I start my presentation, I want to introduce about myself. My name is Nursazwani binti Muhammad Sham. I'm from Nursazwani Department, semester 3A. Now I want to present to you about my project sheet for the assignment. My project sheet title is DC to DC converter. Okay, I want to show you about my project sheet. It is DC to DC converter. 5 volt DC to 13 volt DC converter. Component used IC 555, transistor, diode, resistor, and capacitor. The main component used for this circuit is 555 timer IC operating in stable mode. It generates a square pulse which is then given to a simple transistor inverter to get inverter output. These two output will drive a voltage pump which increase the voltage level by series addition. However, this 555 timer boost converter has a disadvantage of low output current, so it cannot drive high current device. To get more current, you have to use a step-up converter circuit that we introduce later. How do DC to DC work? 555 timer IC work in a stable multi-vibrator mode which produce a pulse of a particular frequency determined by the volume of timing resistor and capacitor. The output of this 555 is given to a transistor inverter which generate an inverter output. This output are given to the voltage pump which increase the voltage level. First, capacitor change in the positive cycle of square wave. This voltage change to the net capacitor. In the negative circle, voltage is added due to series addition. This voltage is then stored in the 100 microfarad capacitor. And finally, we get 30 volt at the output. Okay, that's all for my presentation. Thank you for watching and listening.